Want to learn Google Flutter but don't know where to start? Worry not, as we've got your back with a list of the best free online courses from Udemy. Elevate your skills and create native-like experiences effortlessly across multiple platforms. First on the list is Flutter Dart, everything to know before you start. This course provides a comprehensive foundation in Google Flutter. It ensures clear and quick understanding of Flutter and Dart. The course has already attracted numerous learners, all eager to build a career with these skills. Next up is Flutter and Dart for beginners. This course, like the previous one, offers a solid foundation in Google Flutter, helping you grasp all the topics quickly. This is an ideal course for those who are interested in creating mobile apps. Our third pick is Flutter and Dart, the complete guide. This comprehensive course is perfect for beginners, offering essential Google Flutter learning. It empowers learners to develop engaging Android and iOS apps and to dive deep into Flutter and Dart. Tried Flutter? Get a comprehensive curriculum for in-depth learning. Experienced iOS or Android developers wanting to make apps for both, iOS plus Android, with just one programming language. Another great course is Flutter Development Bootcamp with Dart. This beginner-friendly course helps you become a Google Flutter expert and build iOS and Android apps in Dart. Whether you're new to coding, native app development, or have tried Flutter before, this course has something for everyone. Managers and program supervisors who need to memorize how to construct Android and iOS apps with single code base. Moving on, we have the Flutter App Development course. This course is perfect for Android designers, iOS designers, entrepreneurs, and managers who need to build apps with a single code base. Upon completing this course, you'll have a portfolio ready for job applications. Next up is Build a Google Drive clone with Flutter, Firebase, and Getx. This course is great for Flutter developers seeking practical experience. It allows you to master the fundamentals quickly. Last but not least, we have Build Social Media Apps. This beginner-friendly course offers clear and efficient learning, helping you become a Google Flutter expert and build real projects. In conclusion, before enrolling in any course, make sure to check the course reviews, ratings, and syllabus to ensure it meets your needs. Check out for more information. So gear up and dive into the world of Google Flutter with these amazing courses and start your journey toward becoming a Flutter expert today.